Hello everyone, and this is your oracle card or oracle message for today. Ito ay para sa lahat. This is also a timeless reading kaya kahit kailan nyo ito makita. Kung hindi pa po kayo nakakasubaybay sa ating Facebook or YouTube channel, please don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe. At kung magugustuhan nyo naman itong ating reading, don't forget to like and share. Personal readings nakalagay sa screen kung paano. Free readings during live to be announced, no? So this is your oracle card or oracle message for today. You have happy. Wow. Ang ibig sabihin nito, pwedeng you are now in a state na kung saan ay masaya ka ngayon sa nangyayari sa buhay mo. Hindi lang happy, take note. Pwedeng masayang-masaya ka ngayon, or kung hindi mo pa nararanasan to, pwedeng paparating pa lang sa'yo itong mga exciting moments na magbibigay sa iyo ng true happiness. Okay? Magagandang bagay to. Blessings, exciting. Ito yung mga bagay na magpapasaya or nagpapasaya sa'yo ngayon. So, if I were you, claim this kung hindi mo pa to na-experience right now. So, this is your oracle message or oracle card for today. Don't forget to like, share, follow, subscribe. Take care and God bless to all.